No-fault divorce laws have become the subject of recent political debates. In our legal lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal asked Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy to break down the debate.
Andrea, I guess to start, what exactly is a no-fault divorce?
So way back in the day, to get a divorce, you would have to prove misconduct like adultery or domestic violence. Then most systems switched to what's called no-fault divorce. And basically what that means is there's the standard, instead of somebody's at fault or there's misconduct, it's that there's no reasonable likelihood that the marriage can be preserved, and therefore the marriage is irretrievably broken. So no one person has to be at fault for any misconduct.
And I know recently we've heard some talk from some folks who want to, I guess, eliminate no-fault divorce. What's the reasoning behind what they're proposing?
So critics say that, one, it makes it too easy to get a divorce. And basically leads to couples getting divorced instead of trying to work out. The second thing they cite is because divorces are easier to get, in theory, what they're arguing is that it also impacts more children. And most of these claims are basically moral and religious undertones to it, and have moral and religious objections as another reason they cite to eliminate no-fault divorce.
And some of the reasons people are giving for wanting to keep that option available?
Well, one, it used to be this way. So before Missouri implemented no-fault divorce, there was fault divorce, and they changed the system because, one, it was faster and less expensive than trying to prove fault in a divorce, and the expense of divorces led to a disproportionate amount of people with lower incomes having to stay married. Two, it protects privacy by not requiring a spouse to prove fault and misconduct. You don't have to expose your dirty secrets in a public forum and in public court filings to be able to get a divorce. And then finally, one of the biggest reasons people cite for the reason of no-fault divorce is domestic abuse, and it reduces conflict. So the more fault you have to prove to somebody, the more that leads to contention, and no-fault divorce actually has led to more amicable separations, is what people would argue.
It is a topic a lot of people have been talking about. Andrea McNairy with Brown and Crouppen, appreciate you breaking down the legal aspects of it for us today.
You're very welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And you can catch the Legal Lens on Fox 2 every Wednesday at 6 p.m.